Forgot your phone number? In this quick guide, I'll show you 2 easy ways to find your phone number on any Android phone in just a few taps. Method 1. Check your phone number in About Phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu and tap About Phone. On Samsung devices, your phone number is usually displayed near the top of the screen, along with details like your device name, model number, and serial number. If your mobile carrier has correctly stored your number on the SIM card, you'll see it here instantly. Keep in mind that on some Android phones, especially if you've recently activated a new SIM card, the number may appear as unknown or may not be listed at all. If that happens, try the second method below. Method 2. Check your phone number using SIM Manager. Open the Settings app once again. Tap Connections, then select SIM Manager. Here, you'll see information about the SIM card currently installed in your phone. Your phone number is often displayed directly beneath the SIM card name, making it easy to identify which number belongs to each SIM if you are using a dual SIM device. If your number still isn't displayed, your mobile carrier may not have programmed it onto the SIM card. In that case, you can also check your number by calling or texting another phone, viewing your account in your carrier's app, or contacting your mobile network provider for assistance. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.